In this video, I'll show you how to get a promo code for IELTS British Council. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I'm on my mobile device. I'm going to open up any web browser. I'm going to head on over to Google. Now in the Google search bar, I'm going to type in IELTS promo codes British Council. And then I'm going to hit search. And now in the Google search results, you can see there's a few different websites to get promo or discount codes. So you got hantcinema.net. So you got 26 British Council promo codes. If we scroll down, you've got geoipview.com, lovecoupons.com. So you can check out any one of these sites to find promo codes. So the one for this video I'm going to demonstrate is, I'm going to go to the top of the results here. I'm going to go to handcinema.net. So it's got 26 British promo codes you can use. So as you can see, you got save 15% off intensive plans, sign up at British Council to take 15% discount, grab 50% off total orders, etc, etc. So click on any one you want to activate. So for this demonstration, I'm going to do the grab 50% off total offers. I'm going to click on get deal. And now what I'm going to do is no code needed. So I can go straight to this link to activate that order. Or if I go back, if I want to save 15% on intensive plans, I'll click on get code. And now from here, I want to copy this code and paste this code at the checkout section to receive my 15% off.